Hey, my name is Jenni. Welcome to this Yoga Nidra practice. So now that the new year started, maybe you also hear all the time, new year, new me, but I think it shouldn't be called like this. Wouldn't it be much more beautiful to call it new year, real me? I mean, what if this year you would finally come back home to yourself, your true self? Many people, they just freeze when I ask them, what do you want in life? And who are you, really? They just don't know any answer, and they start to feel very stressed about it and very bad that they just struggle to answer this question. But listen up. I think it's time to take a deep breath and let go of all these expectation and pressure that you have to have it all figured out right now, and that you have to know exactly who you are. You have to know exactly the next few steps in life, like each and every point on the map until the end. It says that you have to know all of that. So this Yoga Nidra practice, it will help you to stop overthinking, to release some of the stress and the pressure that comes with it, and to come back home to yourself, to drop into your body and into this moment, surrender and meet yourself where you are. And like this, in a state of deep relaxation, the answers, they will come to you very naturally. So instead of pushing and forcing, we create this safe space for the answers to find us in the divine timing, whenever this might be. So if you're ready to start coming back home to yourself and uncovering the real you, then now is the time to make yourself cozy and comfy in your little Yoga Nidra nest. You might like to lay down and maybe grab some pillows and blankets to ensure that your body remains warm during this practice. Maybe you would also like to use an eye mask to cover your eyes, or just close down your eyes, whatever feels safe to you. Whenever you're settled into your space, just take a deep breath together, inhaling into your belly. Take another sip of air in and then exhale fully. Inhaling into your belly. One more small sip of air to fill your lungs completely. And then exhale fully. Maybe with a sigh. Inhale a little bit more. And exhale. Taking in 2 sips of air. Filling our lungs completely to whatever is comfortable for you. And then just exhaling fully and releasing. Let's do this one more time. Inhaling. Taking one more sip. And then exhaling. Releasing. Now, let's set an intention for today's practice. Yoga Nidra, we also call this intention that is born from our heart, the Sankalpa. If you would like to choose your own, or if you're already working with one, feel free to do so. And otherwise, I invite you to use the following. I accept myself just as I am. Repeating your Sankalpa 3 times. Your Sankalpa is like a compass. It guides you to your heart's desire and your future or higher self, and it allows you to tap into your potential and live your purpose. So in this practice we will plant the seed of the Sankalpa deep into the subconscious mind, and that's how we create change that actually lasts and improve our life. So let's move awareness throughout the whole body, following the guidance of my voice. Awareness moving from one point to the next like a stream of water, starting with your foot, feeling your right foot, the top of your right foot and all 5 toes, your heel and sole, calf, knee, upper thigh, the inside and outside, your right hip, buttock, torso and right chest, right shoulder, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, palm of the hand, thumb, first finger, second, third, and fourth. Awareness moving back to your elbow, shoulder, your throat, jaw, mouth, tongue, teeth, and gums. Right nostril, ear, eye, right eyebrow, and the third eye in between your eyebrows. Now the whole right side of your body, the whole right side. Now allowing awareness to move to the left side, left eyebrow, eye, ear, nostril, mouth, throat, left chest, shoulder, upper arm, elbow, lower arm, wrist, palm, thumb, first finger, second, third, and fourth. Awareness moving back up to your elbow, shoulder, and chest, down your torso, pelvis, left buttock and hip, down to your upper thigh, inside and outside, your knee, calf, ankle, heel, top of the left foot and all 5 toes. Now the whole left side of your body, the whole left side. Now again the whole right side of your body, the whole right side. And allowing awareness to float back to your left side of your body. And now sensing your whole body, left and right, back and front, your whole body, like a unified field of sensations. And remembering your Sankalpa, mentally whispering it 3 times. What is one small thing that you could do today to live in alignment with your Sankalpa? One small step that will get you closer to your higher self, closer to your vision. Just pick one small thing. And if you have a hard time thinking of it, maybe you would like to ask yourself instead, how could you be a little bit more kind to yourself? Maybe when you're looking into the mirror, how could you bring more kindness and compassion when you talk to yourself? Remember, you are your biggest investment and asset. It all starts with you, and you deserve to be taken care of. You deserve to feel your best and become the happiest, healthiest, and most abundant version of yourself in 2025 and the rest of your life. Maybe you could even take a moment to envision your future self. Remember, what you focus on grows. You might like to imagine your mind and body like a garden. All the limiting beliefs, the negative thoughts and emotions, they are the weeds, while empowering beliefs, more positive thoughts and emotions are like flowers. Whatever you give the most attention and whatever you'll focus on will grow. So in Yoga Nidra, we are watering the flowers in your garden, rebuilding your garden or the emotional home. So, how do you want to feel today and in the future? Maybe confident, grateful, cheerful, peaceful, empowered, safe, lighthearted. Take a moment to think about how you would like to feel. And maybe you can even feel how this manifests in your body. How does it feel to experience this emotion or state that you chose? Maybe you can also imagine a future version of yourself, how she's moving through this world and what she is embodying. And maybe you can carry some of that back into your daily life. Whenever you awaken, remember to water your flowers. And remember that you can always come back to this practice. So let's take a moment to repeat your Sankalpa again 3 times, and maybe this feeling state that you just chose still lingering in your body while you're planting the seed of the Sankalpa, mentally repeating it 3 times. And now, slowly starting to come back to your breath, just observing the air flowing in and out of your body. Maybe you can deepen the inhale a little bit and start to awaken your body slowly, maybe wiggling your fingers and toes a little bit. If you would like to stretch, whatever your body needs to come back to this very moment, come back to your room, take all the time you need. And if you would like to do more of these practices, I'm opening our mindfulness community very soon. You can find the link in the description under this video. So this practice, it was really just a very small glimpse. In our community, we will all practice together Yoga Nidra, also breathwork. We have the opportunity to share in a safe space and so much more. So feel free to join us if you're feeling called to do so. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If you like, let me know in the comments how you're feeling now. I always love to hear from you. I'm sending you lots of love and sunshine. See you very soon. Jenni.